Today I'm going to teach you about three-dimensional coordinate system. So this one is different from two-dimensional coordinate system. It is, of course. So on the top we have z-axis, we have x-axis on the left side and y-axis on the right side. So to consider a point, it's just going to be this: p is equals to x comma y comma z. So that is the arrangement of it. So now let's start plotting some points here. So we're going to plot a point that is here in 2, comma, 4, comma 3. So how can we plot this thing? So first, what I'm going to do is just number this thing. So let's first number this x. So we got this. So we got 2 here. So I'm gonna put 1 here on that first stick. And second here on second. Okay, now let's plot in 4. Not plot in, but let's put some lines for 4. Okay, here I'm really struggling with my writing. I want to make it perfect though, but one's perfect, so don't try to be a perfect man. Okay, so we got 4 here. Now let's number z on the top one. So this zxy, it can just differs. If you want to draw y on the top, you can just draw it. X on the top, you can draw it though. But I'm more used to this three-dimensional coordinate system. However, first step is going to dot things here. To easily visualize on how to plot this, we can just draw a rectangle or basically a rectangle. We're just going to connect this from the origin to 2 and then origin, and we're just going to put it here. We're going to travel 4 units here, right? Let's connect it in a right way. So 2 on the x-axis and then 4 on the y-axis and then another 2 on the x-axis. We're going here at 3 and another 3 here. We're just going to connect it over here. Then we can just connect this here. Next up, we can just connect it like in this thing. It's going to be here. That is 4 units once again. And then over here is just 3 and there you go. So as we can see, we just drew a perfect rectangle here. So the point, to easily visualize this, we just really need to do this. So the point is pretty much in here. No, we just travel here in 2. We travel 2 here, we travel 4, and we travel 3. So therefore, the point is in this spot. Let's make this color black. Okay. Okay, here. So this is the point of 2, 4, 3. So let me just name this. You can delete the cube, but I'm not going to. So we can just visualize it as in 3 dimension. Now let's move on to our second problem. No, not problem, but second floating points. So let's just consider a point here on 3, -4, 5. So this is just the same as two-dimensional coordinate system, where if you're going to the opposite side of the positive, you will just get negative numbers. So let's do it. So we're just going to put 3 here, where we're going to extend our number line. And then here, we're going to put negative. So this is going to be -4. Then on the top, that is going to be 5. We're going to extend our number line on the top. This is going to be 4, 3, and 4 and 5. Okay, here. So now, I'm going to make this blue. Because, you know, Amazing colors, they're just joining. So we're just going to put it here. We're going to start from origin to that point. I'm really mixing colors here. Okay, here, and the 105. And then I'm going to start to the origin and then connect them one by one. So I'm gonna cut here, gonna get here, and then just connect this here. And then we're going to visualize it by using rectangle. We can just put here on top. We're going to travel here from 3 units once again. Then we're going to connect it to that point. Next up, gonna connect this and this pipe. It doesn't feel right. Okay, there you go. Going to travel here 3, going down to 5. As you can see, we can just easily visualize the point na without further merge doing this stuff. But we're going to continue. Here, okay, that doesn't look like a rectangle. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, there you have it. So, where's the point there? So, the point is around this region here. So, that is basically the point of 3, comma, -4, and 5. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this video. I guess you learned something, but I'm going to put some numbers here. So what we did here is just let me change our color. Okay, we just traveled 4 here, we traveled up 5, and here 3. So that's basically it. You can just basically do that if you want to, but it is better if you have a rectangle to visualize it as 3-dimensional thing. And that's basically it.